I can't find my passport. Right now already? You're my veteran. Ryan has been hounding us for like 4 days straight. You've got to bring your passport. Remember, we're going out of the country. Guess what we're waiting on right now? We're waiting on Ryan's passport. Is it in your carry-on?
Good. My camera's packed away. Where is it, Ryan? Where?
I don't know.
So we're going out of the country where like we need a passport or something?
Do we need that? Do we need that?
It was right where I put it, clearly. Why were you panicking then? Because I didn't remember where I put it. This is what we chose for battery number 1. We are basically about to head inland for the rest of our trip here to Iceland, and over there is the Arctic Ocean, and up here is this crazy mountain ravine. So I'm gonna go for a flight up to the top, so let's go do it.
The sound of midnight rings out on the cobbles. The moon has denied me. The night will be long in a street light, caught up by the fear. The rain begins to fall, now the wind. Every street lamp seems to lead in every alleyway. Everything seems to be alive, and the dust now sleeps away. I'm afraid I must wait for the sunrise. Now the monsters lie on the black stones. Tonight will stay a memory. Now I must pray for the new day, yeah, when the great bells will ring.
We made it back. Got a little spongy at the top, like I could feel all of a sudden it went, "Bleh," which scared me. It's good first spot.
I can hear the drip of water on cobbles, an holy theater. I'm smiling alone in the moonlight, condemned to wander while families sleep in shadow. Every street lamp seems to lead in every alleyway. Everything seems to be alive, and the dusk now sleeps away. I'm afraid I must wait for the sunrise. Now the monsters lie on the black stones. Tonight will stay a memory. Now I must pray for the new day, when the great bells will ring.
It's a good day. Lots of fun,
too.
lots of flying, good time with friends.
Oh yeah, we're having fun. That was awesome.
I'm not used to flying. I'm not used to keeping all my quads.
Midnight light is hitting the pavement, and the big moon is losing memory. A silence playing with the rain in a royal mind with castles in the air. Monsters lie on the black stone. Tonight will stay a memory. Now I must pray for the new day, when the great bells will ring.
There's a car over there with just some nice people enjoying the view, and I kind of buzzed him a little bit, gave him a nice little haircut, but
Trying to land at their site.
Yep. All right, ready to go to the next spot?
I think so.
Now the monsters lie on the black stone. Tonight will stay a memory. Now I must pray for the new day,